Hey, good morning. Welcome back. How you guys doing? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Hey, if you don't mind, hit down below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and the bell, and you will be in touch with everything I'm doing. Awesome. Hey, today we're going to be making something called the egg slut. Racy, I know, real simple. This is breakfast on the go, but it's going to be super tasty. So, first of all, you need 2 eggs. Basically cracked into a bowl. And you're going to do about 2 tablespoons of cream, heavy cream. All right, that gets your eggs nice and fluffy. Now, you want it on low heat, but just enough to cook the egg, but not so much as it's gonna burn it. You're gonna follow it with some butter. Put a little bit of butter on the bottom of your pan, which you've already got some there, melting. Off it goes. For me, it's about 4 to 6. This one's already done. It's gonna look like that. Isn't that awesome? Right? Okay. So, I made some Sriracha Mayo, which is real simple. 2 tablespoons of mayo to about, I don't know, 3 or 4 squirts of Sriracha sauce. Depends how hot you want it. You want it a little hotter, a little milder. You can do whatever you like. That's pretty much it. A little bit of pepper in there, and you're golden. So this is ready to go. Let's check the egg. Now I'm just going to pour it in there, and as it starts to cook, you'll be able to hear it, and you're just going to constantly move it. You're going to constantly baby it because you don't want it to sit in one spot. The more you move it, the more it gets fluffier, right? It picks up the heat, it picks up the butter, the milk, and especially with the whipping cream, which is the batter, it'll build up, which is what you want. A little bit of that, a little bit of salt. So, basically now that you've got it, 6, you're just going to keep moving it. Right? See, it's already starting to cook on the inside. Look at that. So that's what you're going to keep going. You're just going to keep moving it. Simple, simple. It's kind of like a version of scrambled eggs, but it's more, I can't even explain the texture of it. It's super, super cool. Crank the heat just a little bit, not too much. There, that's what I want. See, it's already starting to. That's the secret to good scrambled eggs as well. You want to add a little bit of cream, a little bit of milk, so it's not just egg and it comes out fluffy. My wife doesn't like scrambled eggs, but when I make it, she likes it. It's the texture, it's the feeling. It's nice. It's got some good body to it. So see, now it's starting to cook a little bit. You can back down the heat. You can hear just a slight sizzle in the background. You pretty much get a plastic spatula because you don't want to ruin your good cookware. And you're just going to sort of flip it. There. See how fluffy that is? Look at that. Ultimate fluff. So yeah, real simple. 2 eggs, 2 eggs. Now, your caramelized onion, get them done ahead of time. 1 onion sliced, and then a little bit of butter. And that's it. Just caramelize it. It's a slow cook, low heat, and remember, there we go. Remember not to let the onions burn, right? So that's already been done ahead of time. You're gonna get your slab of cheese. Place that right there. You can turn your heat off now, pretty much. Just gonna let that cheese sit on the egg and just drool, and just go a little bit over it. It'll be warm to the touch, but once it gets your mouth, delicious, right? Exactly. Got your plate already. And you can already see when you just touch it, it's already starting to melt a little bit from the heat underneath it. All right. The resistance is your onion, caramelized. And when I put a little bit of water, because sometimes your onions will start to get a little dry when you're making it, so the key is put about 1/8 of a cup warm water with a little bit of brown sugar. And that's it. The egg slut. Absolutely. Hope you guys enjoy. I've been Steve. You've been wonderful. Cheers. Metal.